Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to this presentation. My name is Imron Azhari from Universitas Bina Sarana Informatika Surakarta. Today we will discuss adverb of frequency. This topic is very important in English as it is help you express how often an action is performed. Let's get started. Okay guys, on this slide we will discuss what an adverb of frequency is. An adverb of frequency is a word used to indicate how often an action is performed. By using this adverb, we can inform others about our habits. Okay, so guys, the definition of an adverb of frequency is a word that describes the frequency of an action. This word provides important information about routines and habits, helping us communicate more early. Importance of adverbs of frequency. Guys, why do you need to learn about adverbs of frequency? Yes, because the verb frequently appear in everyday conversation. Understanding the usage help you speak and write more effectively. Okay guys, next, list of adverbs of frequency. Now, let's look at some commonly used adverbs of frequency. Among them are always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. Each of these has a different meaning. Okay, first, let's start with always. This word means at all times and is used to indicate action that are done every time. An example sentence is I always go to school at 7 a.m. Okay, next we have usually. This means most of the time and is used to show action that happen almost every time. An example sentence is she usually eats breakfast at 8 a.m. Okay, next is often, which means frequently. This is used to indicate action that happen with high frequency. An example is they often visit their grandparents. Okay, we also have sometimes, which means occasionally. This is used to indicate action that do not always happen. An example sentence, he sometimes plays soccer on weekdays. Okay guys, next is rarely, which means seldom. This is used to show action that are not done often. An example sentence is we rarely go to the cinema. Okay guys, finally, this is never, which means not ever. This is used to indicate action they are not done at all. An example is I never drink coffee. Okay guys, you know position and sentence? Where do we place adverbs of frequency in a sentence? Yeah, generally, the adverbs are placed before the main verbs. For example, she often studies in the library. Okay, next, the general structure of sentence with an adverbs of frequency is subject plus adverb of frequency plus verbs. For example, they usually go to the park. Okay, its adverb of frequency has a different level of frequency. For example, always indicates the highest frequencies, will never indicates the lowest. Understanding the conversation is important for proper usage. Okay, now let's try an interactive exercise. Complete the following sentence with the appropriate adverbs. Example 1. I eat pizza on Friday. Coach, always, rarely, never. One, two, three. Yes, always. Okay, when using adverbs of frequency, some common mistakes can occur, such as placing the adverb in the wrong position in a sentence. Always make sure to place it correctly. Okay guys, to better understand adverbs of frequency, try using them in everyday sentence. Practice with friends or make notes about your habits. Okay guys, for additional practice, create sentence using the adverbs of frequency. We'll learn. For example, try making a sentence with the word usually or rarely. As a summary, adverbs of frequency are very important in English to describe how often we perform an action. We have learned several examples and how to use them. Okay guys, thank you for following this presentation. Now, I open floor for question in comment. Please feel free to ask if you have any question about adverb of frequency. Okay, see you guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.